The Honor Magic 7 Pro is a standout smartphone designed to cater to users who demand cutting-edge technology, performance, and innovation in their mobile devices. At its heart lies the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a next-generation processor that ensures unparalleled performance, whether you are gaming, multitasking, or using intensive applications. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage, the Honor Magic 7 Pro handles demanding tasks with ease and offers ample space for all your apps, photos, videos, and documents. Its 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display is a marvel of engineering, boasting a high-resolution panel with a variable refresh rate of 1 Hz to 120 Hz, which not only delivers fluid visuals for gaming and scrolling but also conserves battery life when static content is displayed. The display's vivid colors, HDR10+ support, and exceptional peak brightness of 5000 nits make it an excellent choice for content creators and entertainment enthusiasts who want immersive viewing experiences, even in challenging lighting conditions like direct sunlight. Photography enthusiasts will find the Honor Magic 7 Pro's camera system particularly compelling. The triple camera setup on the rear includes a 50MP primary sensor with variable aperture technology, allowing you to adjust the aperture for perfect shots in different lighting conditions. Whether capturing stunning landscapes with a 50MP ultrawide lens or zooming into distant subjects with a groundbreaking 200MP telephoto lens, which offers 3x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom, the Magic 7 Pro delivers breathtaking image quality. It excels not only in photography but also in videography, offering advanced stabilization, 4K recording, and a suite of creative modes. Selfie lovers will appreciate the high-resolution front camera, which features AI enhancements for flawless portraits, even in low light. Battery life is another area where the Honor Magic 7 Pro shines. It is equipped with a robust 5,850 mAh battery that can easily last through a full day of heavy usage. Thanks to its 100W wired charging and 80W wireless charging capabilities, the device can recharge rapidly, giving users the flexibility to top up their battery quickly when time is short. Furthermore, the phone supports reverse wireless charging, allowing you to use it as a power bank for your other gadgets. The software experience is equally remarkable, as the device runs macOS 9.0, based on Android 15, offering a sleek and customizable interface. This operating system integrates advanced AI features such as Yo-Yo, Honor's virtual assistant, which can perform a wide range of tasks, from managing schedules to providing intelligent reminders, making the device a perfect productivity companion. Security and durability are also prioritized in the Honor Magic 7 Pro. The phone features advanced biometric security options, including a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner embedded beneath the display and state-of-the-art 3D facial recognition, ensuring quick and secure access to your device. Additionally, the device is built to withstand the rigors of daily life, with an IP68/IP69 rating for resistance to dust, water, and accidental spills. Its premium design, crafted with aerospace-grade materials and a sleek, ergonomic form factor, ensures that the device is not only durable but also stylish and comfortable to hold. With a focus on connectivity, the Magic 7 Pro supports 5G for lightning-fast downloads and seamless streaming, as well as Wi-Fi 7 for improved connectivity in busy networks. Ultimately, the Honor Magic 7 Pro stands out as a powerhouse in the competitive premium smartphone market. It combines top-tier performance, a stellar display, an exceptional camera system, and advanced features that cater to a wide range of needs, from photography and gaming to productivity and entertainment. Its innovative design, long battery life, fast charging capabilities, and focus on security make it a versatile device that appeals to both tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Whether you value cutting-edge technology, want a reliable smartphone for work and play, or simply desire a phone that excels in every aspect, the Honor Magic 7 Pro is a worthy investment that delivers exceptional value.